This morning, we'll tell you how we're making it easier for anyone to create on YouTube, and how we're simplifying the work of creation as well.
All right, you guys won't believe this, but YouTube is now all about AI. Seriously, it's like living in the future or something. YouTube, you know, that video platform we all love, has started using artificial intelligence in a big way. YouTube is stepping up its game and becoming even smarter. What does that mean? Well, have you ever found yourself going down a YouTube rabbit hole and losing track of time watching videos of cats being hilarious, even though you initially intended to learn how to fix a leaky faucet? Yeah, we've all been there. But now, with YouTube AI in the picture, things might just change. Can it really put an end to our funny cat video obsessions? Yeah, it's likely going to get fixed. So, Google-owned YouTube just announced a bunch of new AI tools for creators at their Made on YouTube event. They've got some cool stuff coming up, like AI-created photo and video backgrounds, AI suggestions for video topics, and even music search. Keep an eye out for these features in the next few months. So, at this event called Made on YouTube, the company showed off a bunch of cool new AI stuff. Basically, they've come up with all these fancy features powered by AI that let creators and artists make, edit, and share content in really cool ways. AI is taking over everything these days. You've probably heard about how popular models like OpenAI's ChatGPT and DALL-E are. But some people have been raising concerns about the ethics and legality of using those models because of the data sets they're trained on possibly violating copyright laws. So YouTube has this cool new feature called Dream Screen, where you can create AI-generated videos or image backgrounds just by typing in what you want to see. It's part of their Shorts platform, and it's pretty amazing. For example, say you want to see a panda drinking coffee. Just type that in and the video image magically appears on your screen. And it's not just limited to pandas. You can imagine anything from underwater castles to dragons or sci-fi moonrises. It's like bringing your wildest dreams to life. But that's not all. YouTube is also working on allowing creators to remix and edit their existing content using AI tools, so they can create something totally new and unique. Imagine turning a video of yourself dancing into an animated or comic book style masterpiece. The possibilities are endless. Now I have to mention that Dream Screen is still in the experimental stage, and it's only available to select creators who are testing it out. But hey, it's pretty impressive stuff, don't you think? There's this awesome AI tool called Aloud that has completely captivated us. Ever wanted to learn something from a video but couldn't because it was in another language? Well, you're not alone. Aloud, a new product from Area 120, is here to solve that problem. With Aloud, creators can easily dub their videos into multiple languages, unlocking knowledge that was previously trapped in a single language. Currently, it supports dubbing into Spanish and Portuguese, with more languages like Hindi and Bahasa Indonesia on the way. This tool makes dubbing much more accessible to creators who might have found it too difficult or costly before. Plus, it opens up new opportunities to reach audiences all over the world. In our experiments, we've seen significant growth in views just by adding one additional language. But here's the best part: transparency. They believe that information should be accessible to everyone, so their goal is to make previously inaccessible content available to the world. At the same time, they are mindful about how the technology is used and want to avoid any confusion between synthetic and original content or content dubbed by voice actors. That's why they require creators using Aloud to clearly state if their content has been dubbed using our tool. It's all about transparency. And that's not even the best part. YouTube's AI is actually getting really good at replacing regular TV. And there's another awesome feature on the way that focuses on YouTube's traditional TV efforts. In December, YouTube announced their exclusive distribution of the NFL Sunday Ticket out-of-market sports package in the US through YouTube TV, starting in 2023. But wait, there's more. Mohan also spilled the beans on a new feature coming later this year that lets viewers watch multiple games simultaneously. How cool is that? Oh, and let's not forget about the content creators themselves. AI is actually helping them out too. It can analyze their videos and give feedback on things like video quality, lighting, and even suggest ways to improve the overall production value. It's like having a virtual video coach. And now, YouTube has come up with a mobile app called YouTube Create to make it even easier for anyone to create and share videos directly on the platform. This app is designed specifically to empower creators by providing a suite of production tools for editing shorts, longer videos, or both. With features like precision editing and trimming, automatic captioning, voiceover capabilities, access to filters, effects, transitions, royalty-free music with beat-matching technology, creators can now produce their next top-notch YouTube video without relying on complicated editing software. So, you probably already know that a lot of guys who use YouTube are actually content creators. And get this, YouTube consulted with over 3,000 creators when they were building YouTube Create. Right now, the app is in beta on Android in certain markets, like the United States and Germany, just to name a few. Oh, and did I mention that YouTube Create is completely free? Neil Mohan said some pretty cool things about it too. He talked about how these new updates will help creators and artists be even more creative by making difficult things easy and turning impossible dreams into reality. With AI's generative capabilities, creators now have the opportunity to level up their storytelling and boost their production value. Picture this. You can switch outfits in your videos, or even create epic film scenes. And guess what? YouTube is taking careful steps to ensure that everything stays under control. This game-changing feature is all about empowering creators worldwide to unleash their creativity on YouTube. It's a whole new era of endless possibilities. I am beyond excited to see what our amazing community of creators and artists will bring to the table. So buckle up for some seriously awesome content coming your way. Stay tuned. They're also going to roll out a cool feature that lets users record a short video next to an existing YouTube video or short, kind of like TikTok's duet thing. TikTok's duets have been super popular since they came out in 2018, and even Instagram made their own version for Reels in 2021 called Reels Remix. Shorts has been getting tons of views lately, with over 70 billion daily views now compared to 50 billion in January. And YouTube thinks that AI will make those numbers go even higher. In the future, YouTube plans to have a tool that can take creators' videos and turn them into something totally new just by typing in some ideas for edits or remixes. So, there's this awesome AI feature called AI Insights for creators. It's basically a tool that suggests video topics based on what your audience is into. It's super helpful when you're stuck on ideas or trying to find new opportunities to grow. This feature analyzes your channel data and your viewers' behavior to come up with a list of potential topics that are popular in your niche. And it doesn't stop there. It also gives you tips on how to execute those topics, like which keywords to use or places to visit. For instance, if you're a travel creator, AI Insights might suggest making a video about Portugal's rich history and culture, and recommend some must-see landmarks and attractions. Right now, selected creators are testing out AI Insights for creators, but trust me, it's going to be a game changer for finding inspiration and staying ahead of the trends. Say goodbye to creative blocks and hello to engaged fans. Google is currently testing AI search results at the top of its search platform through the Search Generative Experience. This shift marks an exciting development in how content is created and consumed online. Mohan took over as YouTube CEO, following in the footsteps of Susan Wojcicki after 12 years. He is stepping into the role during a challenging time, with ad revenue for the platform decreasing by 8% compared to last year's holiday quarter. Additionally, YouTube has faced criticism for its strict enforcement of swearing and content guidelines. However, navigating the relationship between creators and advertisers is a crucial task for any YouTube CEO, and Mohan is well aware of what it entails. He has witnessed YouTube's potential from its early startup days and is thrilled to lead it towards a bright future. While details are limited, new generative AI tools are expected to be introduced in the near future. Mohan's enthusiasm and understanding of YouTube's challenges position him well for this important role. So, if you're a YouTube addict like us, you're in for a treat. Get ready for a whole new level of personalized content and awesome video editing. YouTube AI is here, and it's changing the game. Get ready to be amazed. But don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment sections and subscribe to our channel.